interview at 2 o'clock. It's not even an interview because it's really my old job. So really they need to make me manager because what the fuck. But it's not what the fuck I be using. I like use it. Only y'all hear how much spray is in this can. Listen, real close. Some in there though. Okay, y'all. So I'm first going in with the Milani No Pore Zone. No one no problems. Just make sure you're using sensitive skin care stuff. I'm gonna put this back right now just for the simple fact I don't want the shit to keep getting in my damn face. My lips was ashy just now. Shut the fuck up. I think that's the best we're gonna get without wiping too much primer off. I'm about to plug up the camera and do my eyebrows really quick, and I will be back. Was gonna like just do like a time lapse, but I'm gonna just tell you basically first thing I'm gonna be doing is foundation, then the brows. Well, actually I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now. Not even really doing anything. You can tell the difference. Can you? One eyebrow. I don't know, girl. It looked the same to me, but I could tell I'll be doing something. And I am listening to SZA's instrumentals, just thinking about the song, the lyrics, because I do not want to get copyrighted. So yeah, that is an instrumental you hear. I might as well show y'all me using this lip scrub. It's by Mary Kay. It's called Satin Lips. I love it. Hold on. Remember not to exfoliate too hard and too frequently, so you will not start to rip your lips. I'm using the lip balm from the same Mary Kay. Satin Lips. It's not black and it's not brown. But you can kind of see what I was trying to do there. A little wispy effect. And now it's time to conceal. Now we gotta let it deoxidize. I have to take my weight band off. It is 4:37. I'm now editing, and I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, subscribe, bookie, because how else I'm gonna do something without your comment, huh? Sosa out. I just want to say this now. All you useless niggas that I'm in contact with at the moment, just know you ain't gotta worry about me once it's... You ain't gotta worry about me, baby. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I am in my new house at the moment. I will give y'all a little tour. It's not no furniture in here at the moment, so I can't really give y'all a tour, but living room. Let's show y'all the living room. All right, that is the whole living room right there. We have our balcony area. I'm not gonna show y'all the road view because that would like tell where I live, but like, period. But y'all, I'm finna cook my first meal in the house, and it is beans. I don't know if I want to do rice or mashed potatoes, but we're gonna see. I mean, I don't really know yet, but we gonna see.
See Cause I run up hella blood. Your mother keep lucky. Blood six on phone. I don't 40 niggas, they don't know.
So I just like finished my makeup. I just set my face and I'm about to wipe off my shoes because they are not gonna say a little dirty. They dirty. Okay, they're dirty. Balenciaga. All right, so shoes on. I am dressed and I'm about to go smoke with my friend.
Look, I've watched enough true crime documentaries and just all things true crime related to know that in the United States during the 70s, it was very different.
So I went to the bank, I was never cooking, so I really love straights. My nigga want me to move back to LA. She said, Lucky, I'm proud of you. My bitch like, nigga, don't even say thanks. Proud of you, she gon' screenshot the shit if I just say thanks. No cap, boy, no rap cap.
Tell me you're ready for the people, for the people. I don't know what this smell like, but it smells really good. So my quick 5-minute makeup and I will be back.